Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some analog Photoshop with the One Step Plus. If you didn't know it, the One Step Plus can be connected to your phone via an app. So it has a Bluetooth connection. Why is that important? Because with that Bluetooth connection, you can access one of the features that we need, the multiple exposures. The problem is that as it is, the whole film gets exposed. So that might be a problem when you're exposing a film in daylight, for example, because you tend to overexpose the whole film. My friend MrSplitzer was kind enough to send me this little yoke. This gadget allows you to capture multiple exposures in one Polaroid frame without overexposing both sides. So basically it prevents light from touching one side of the image and then the other side. So there you have it, analog Photoshop. You can create cool compositions in one frame. And it's actually very easy to attach. You just get your Polaroid and attach it as it was a lens cap. And there you see. The way it works is that because the Polaroid allows you to do two exposures in one frame, you basically are going to get this little yoke, take one exposure, rotate it, and take the other exposure, which is quite cool. The first thing we're going to do is we need film in order to use the camera. So I'm just going to open this package here, if I can. So once we take this yoke out of the package, we're going to go make sure our camera is off. We're going to open the door of our camera and then we are going to put the film in. And that's it. Now our camera is ready to go. We have a film. Okay, we're going to launch the app, Polaroid app. We're going to go to the camera we have and then we can see here that it says connecting. Now it's connected. Once the camera is connected, you'll be able to use the functions like normally. But in order for us to use the splitter, we are going to go to double exposure. The way it would work is I would press one exposure and then rotate the lens cap. So basically, you're going to set it that way, take a photo, and then rotate it and take the second photo. And this should give you very cool results. So we're going to go ahead and try that. Might not be the coolest photo ever, but I'm just going to go ahead and give it a try for you guys. My MrSplitzer lens modify or lens cap, whatever you want to call it, it's attached to the camera. I have one side that light can go into the frame and the other side can go. And I'm just going to take one photo and then I'm just going to rotate this guy and take a second photo. So let's see, hopefully that wasn't a failed attempt. Not much space here. This is my photo. I'm going to put it in somewhere dark for a few minutes. So it's my first time trying this multiple exposure accessory. It's actually not as easy to use as I thought. I took two photos, checked them out here, but I do think maybe some high contrast imagery would have been cool to do. If you guys have any ideas on how could I use this accessory creatively, let me know in the comments below and I'll give it a shot. So, me from the future. There's a technical issue there. Kelly forgot to record when I was on the top of the thing in the sunset.
Lou, seriously.
So, okay.
Kelly forgot to record.
So, I'm actually just doing the bit in the car now because I'm not going out again. It was freezing. My fingers were frozen standing up in the roof of that old church trying to do the photos. But anyhow, I decided to do one more photo in the exterior with the sunset to see how it worked with the MrSplitzer adapter, and this is that photo. So we actually took two photos, but one photo didn't come out right. I think there was something wrong with the actual print. if you're interested in creating photos like this and you have a camera that shoots on film and can do multiple exposures in the same frame, check out my friend MrSplitzer. He's on Instagram and this is his name. If you're interested in buying one, get in touch with him. He can post it to you and have fun taking photos. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you subscribe already, thank you very much. If you like the video, like it, and see you next time.